And welcome to another update video about HBAR. It's a coin I more regularly cover in the channel membership, and so far it's working out. Yeah, we've been talking about HBAR for a while. It's basically always been a bearish outlook, and also most recently he had finally started to follow the count again to the downside. So this is still how I see it. Could take us into the 2 to 3 cent region overall. I think we have in this decline here now, I already put it on the chart here, I think back in October or maybe even September, that the bearish count is more likely, and this in the end also worked out. So I think we are now in this blue count here, which takes us down in wave 1, done, wave 2, done, wave 3 now possibly done. Now we could see that wave 4 recovery just now, and another wave 5 down. Depending on how high the wave 4 go, we could then calculate targets for the wave 5. I mean, we could even here look at the target, textbook target. Now that would take us down too much. So the thing is, I think this is again an ending diagonal, as we have it so often now in crypto, because it's the end of a possible bear market. I mean, this is doesn't mean it happens in a week or so, but you're getting towards the end of something. And this bear market has been going on now for more than a year. So the downside potential is now fairly limited. So you're gonna see some of those spikes here and so on, up and down. And I mean, an obvious resistance here, we've got two things on the chart. You've got the 50-day moving average is the yellow line here. You see it hidden below the, it's actually coming down here. You see it hidden below the white trend line. That white trend line is probably providing resistance on the way up. I mean, there's various ways of how this can be drawn, but understand it maybe as a little bit of a range, this trend line, but this is certainly going to provide some resistance on the way up now for this possible wave 4. Yeah, so we have certainly enough waves to count this wave 5 of 3 as complete, and as per the Elliott Wave count, there should now be a recovery. That would happen most likely in 3 waves, A, B, C, or maybe even a triangle, but most likely is something like A, B, C. If we now see a move down at some point, which makes a higher low, then this could be the B wave, and we should then move up in a C wave to the upside. Hit here something like, depending on when it happens, maybe 4.7 cents or so, before we then come down in what I think is going to be the 3 cent region. So downtrend going on as per expectation. You could even draw a channel here, but you don't really need it. I think you need the upside trend line to understand, because if we break above this trend line, then we could consider maybe the bear market complete, but it's way too early for that. Yeah, this is definitely the next key resistance area, and we should, in this particular wave count, stay below the 5.3 cent level. That's the previous wave 4 high, which should actually sit here. Okay, and that's just really an express update to make you aware we're still on track to follow lower, to deliver lower prices, and the bear market isn't over yet for HBAR, at least not with a high likelihood. And until we really see again an impulse to the upside and a correction down, that would be the first signal that things are changing here. We are going to follow the path down, and also as per the Elliott Wave analysis here, in this ending diagonal, one more leg down would be ideal. Okay, that's my update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.